So.
I have red lipstick.
I know.
I'm like, you better get a whole lot of
about to
red
swerve
lipstick
like that.
on you. What?
No.
Curved like a circle. The question of this video is, does Cher have feelings for Calvin? That's all I want to know. Let me know in the comments, please. I think she does, personally, and I will explain. Shall we proceed? Thou shalt. So, that was the peak. Boom, he got curved, and he doesn't know how to handle it. I'll just play it through, and then we'll go back to their initial conversation.
Sure.
Tell.
Boom. Swerve. Oh,
Swervo,
not the cheek
Swervo,
kiss. Are you
Swervo.
kidding me? I'm out of here. Sure.
And she's laughing at him. Like, look at her face after he leaves. That's why I'm thinking she's just kind of playing hard to get, making him really work for it. And Calvin likes that. He likes a challenge because I don't know if he's experienced too much of this. I feel like in the past it's just been super easy for him to get women. So I really enjoy watching them just kind of battle it out. But let's watch the initial conversation. They're also just in their flirting stages, which there's no like deep commitment yet. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm Team J-Love all the way till the death of me. But they're just so perfect together and at such like a high level. It's like a peak. And if something were to happen, it's just a long way down. It'd be a long crash landing. So that's why, I mean, personally, I think Justine and Caleb are going to make it all the way through the whole show and win. But in the real world, you never know what it's going to be like outside the villa. So let's just look at their initial conversation. The question of the day, remember, does Cher have feelings for Calvin?
Talk to you a little bit about where your head's at.
You know, we're getting to know each other each and every day. Obviously, it's not just a quick
Sure.
boom and we know everything. So it's nice that we take it day by day.
I will say you're an intimidating girl. Like, you are. You might not think you are. Everybody sees you as that. Like, and I'm not saying that in a bad way. Like,
No,
you're very confident, which is not a bad thing. Like, I love the confidence. And so...
Nervous?
No.
You gotta... Let me air you out a little bit.
I'm chilling.
This is what I like. Like, this man kind of smirks every time he tries talking to Cher because he gets a little nervous, gets a little jittery, doesn't know what to say.
I feel like a lot of people in here and couples are like way too serious.
I feel that. I can't be like that. Yeah,
it's boring.
Yeah,
you gotta be.
And I get bored easily. We're not trying for
that. I'm boring.
No,
No,
not yet. At least I'm sure you'll be bored.
And you know what proceeds. So I do think Cher likes him, and she's just kind of playing games with him, and I'll show you why. Basically, I mean, I don't have too much evidence, but in the mouth, disgusting mouth challenge that everyone had, they were just having so much fun. I'll show you a little bit of it. And they were just laughing the whole time and like spitting out all the stuff on the floor and stuff.
Not wrong. There we go.
Let's see some more.
Fine.
Oh, mashed potatoes, what have they done to you?
That's a Thanksgiving dinner right there. Let's go.
Come on, baby, you got it.
He was spitting it out. It was coming out like a turd.
I really like Calvin. He's funny. And then at the very end, this is the last thing I'll show you. Look who's the last one standing after everyone runs off. Watch.
Tag love on top.
Yes.
Let's get back to the villa.
That's all I'm saying. Let me know. I showed you my evidence. Give me something to work with. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. We out. Boom.